at 3:56. Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles, Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, gusty outflow winds from showers and isolated lightning storms sliding southward and along a frontal boundary were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles east of Klondike Beach to near Playlanda Beach to near Titusville, moving southeast at 40 knots. Gusty winds will arrive well ahead of any precipitation as the strong boundary plows southward. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Titusville, Port Canaveral, Jetty Park, LaGrange, and Cape Canaveral. Special weather statement.